high wind watch is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 73 degrees under clear skies. Our local Doppler radar. For tonight, partly cloudy skies this evening will become overcast overnight. Low 68. And on Monday, windy with a few clouds. High 79. And Monday night, clear skies. Low 49. Our week ahead. Just past the horizon, and right where the sky ends, it's out there on the ocean. Know my ship is coming in, so don't leave.